Okay, it's IELTS speaking part 1 and we're going to ask you some questions. Yeah.
Is it important for you to remember people's name?
Uh, yes, I remember. I remember the people's name because my memory is good.
Okay.
So I don't lose people's name.
Okay, this answer is very short and it's not very well organized answer. What's the question?
Is it easy for you to remember people's name?
Is it easy for you to remember people's names? No, it is not easy for me to remember the names actually. Whenever I meet people and the names are unusual, sometimes some names are very difficult to pronounce. Such type of names are very hard for me to remember. So to answer your question, it's an uphill task for me to remember the names of people. Something like this, okay? 5-6 sentences and try to speak fluently. Next.
How do you remember people's names?
On a in university, I met different friends on daily basis. That's why I remember.
This answer is not logical, it's not clear. How do you remember people's names? For example, whenever I meet someone new and I try to call them by their name, so this is the way for me to remember their name. On the other hand, if I meet someone with a name, I try to think of another person who has the same name. So this is how I can remember the name. Something like
Yes.
that, okay? Be confident, don't worry about the things. Yeah.
Do you often forget people's names?
Yes, I forget people's name sometime
Why?
because I don't met on daily basis.
I don't meet them on
I
daily
don't
basis.
meet on daily basis, so that's why I forget.
Are you
people's name.
shivering? Yeah?
Little.
Come on, just relax, calm down, okay? It's gonna be fine. Next time when you come and sit here, you'll be more confident, okay?
Yes.
Thank you. Good job.